The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
You know, it's interesting because things feel really good. I mean, you look at the economy right now and the headline numbers like record low unemployment or good growth in the first quarter of 3.1%. And while we have seen some pockets of weakness like manufacturing and those purchasing managers indexes, the PMIs, pretty much people feel that things are strong. We have breaking news, jobs in America. The ADP report for the month of May is out, and it showed 27,000 jobs. Adds to the economy in the month of May. That is much weaker than the expectation, which was calling for 180,000 jobs.
Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. Are you listening to this? It's amazing. Who's she trying to convince? Sounds like she's trying to convince herself. So isn't Larry Kudlow. So isn't Payne. Listen to this.
You know, people kind of miss this. They don't understand, I think, the incentive model of economic growth. And we're in a very strong prosperity cycle. The reality is the numbers are coming in very strong.
Who's in a prosperity cycle? Yes, these jibber jabbers on these financial shows, these guys, sure, they're making $3 million, $6 million. Maria makes $9 million. Payne makes, I think, $3 million. Sure, everything's great. I get that. But if things were so great, then why is it yesterday Powell turns around and says, I'm going to lower rates again. I'm going to do more QE. If things were great, you don't lower rates. When you lower rates, the dollar goes lower. A weak dollar means a weak economy. A strong dollar means a strong economy. When rates are going up and the dollar's going up, that's strong economy. But when you got to come in and do more QE and keep cutting rates, and people yesterday, they're nuts. The market's going up 500 points yesterday. 500 points. Terrible follow-through today. Only up about 150 points now. Terrible follow-through. And remember, when you hear these jibber-jabbers talk about key reversals, understand what a key reversal is. They're saying the key reversal already happened. They're saying everything's wonderful now. They're saying the market's not going to go down anymore. This is it. We're on our way. New highs. Really? A key reversal, when it is solid, when you know, okay, the selling's gone, it takes 3 days. You have the first day where you get the big short covering. What does that mean? That means everybody who's selling the market short, betting it was going down, they went, oh my God, they're going to cut rates again. I better stop shorting. I got to buy my stock back. That's what pushed it up 500 points. It's not new money coming in. So the second day, you got to see, okay, after everybody panicked who were selling their stock short, betting the market's going down, they panicked, bought those stocks back. That's what pushed the market up. You got to identify if there's going to be a follow-through. Or is that it? People panicked. They bought their own shares back because they were going the wrong way, selling short. Now, is new money coming in? The answer is no. Because remember, your volume on the second day has to be even greater than the first day. And then the key to a reversal, the very key, I'm going to put up right now, SPY, I just want to see what's going on here. Check in again. Okay. And the S&P, and the volume the second day has to be better than the first day. And then here's the key reversal the third day. The third day, the volume's got to average better than the two previous days. Now, if you go look, here's what's interesting. We had more sellers in the market on Friday, May 31st, on Monday, on June 4th, than we had buyers yesterday. And today, same thing. We got less buyers today. We're going to have less buyers today than we had yesterday. Matter of fact, we'll probably have more sellers today than buyers. So again, you just don't, when you're in a position and you're selling it short and it's going down, you look at trend. One day doesn't make a trend. 1 minute doesn't make a trend. You look at trend, and that's the beautiful thing about our charting. And that's the beautiful thing why it's color-coded. It will remain red. If the trend is down and you get a 500-point day, doesn't screw you up. It remains red when you're shorting. Or if you're going long, you're buying a stock and you see a big surge up and it's green and it remains green, then you're okay. Then you stay with it. Or let's say you're going up, everything's great, you've been going up for a couple, 5 days, 10 days, and all of a sudden the market pulls back, but it doesn't turn red. It means you're okay. See, it's trend. You don't fuss with these one day to another. That's ridiculous. That's why I designed the color-coded MV2 color-coded chart that identifies quickly for you the money flow. So yesterday, if you look at the money that was flowing in, it was far less. We had more money flowing out. Think of this. We had more money flowing out of the market the day before. We had more money flowing out of the market, which was June 3rd, than we had flowing into this big buying opportunity, they told us, on June 4th. So already it's falling apart. But here's what gets me. This is what really it grinds my gears, really gets me, man. They came out yesterday, all the jibber-jabbers, and think what they were saying, the narrative. The narrative was so stupid. The narrative was so dumb. It was unbelievable. Oh, this is it. It's terrific. Here, listen to some of the stupid narrative. Unbelievable. It's just crazy.
Things feel really good. I mean, you look at the economy right now and the headline numbers.
We've seen a fairly substantial weakening in the manufacturing sector. It peaked in August of last year and has really only been coming down since that second round of tariffs went on Chinese imports. All of the research that we have indicates that the tariffs are being passed through to U.S. consumers.
Although we just heard Jennifer say that the Federal Reserve said that the tariffs have been absorbed, at least with this Fed manufacturing.
See, I jumped right in. Oh, no. It hasn't been passed through to people. No, it's been all absorbed. Everything's terrific.
The big picture issues are still with us, and I think the market craves some kind of confirmation that the U.S. economy remains resilient.
Everything's resilient. Everything's fine. Everything's on fire.
It's a mixed day so far for the markets, but the economy is still on fire.
Yeah, everything's on fire. Yeah, okay. All right. So yesterday, here's what happened, and I'm going to explain because this is so stupid yesterday. It's unbelievable how people fell for this. And why you got to watch the money, not the jibber-jabbers. Anytime they open their mouth, you see them on TV, they open that mouth, that thing under their nose, between their chin, you see it crack open a little bit, run like hell, because whatever's coming out of there is not the truth. Okay, so here we are, had the 500-point rally. But look at the headlines today. Look at the headlines. The one headline is, the Fed has no choice but to return to ultra-low rates. Well, wait a minute. We just had a 500-point rally. And they're saying that everything's terrific. You heard these guys. You heard the cuts. Everything's wonderful. Well, then why do they have to go to low rates? And what does a low rate mean? It means it's weak. The economy's weak. And that means the dollar goes down. A weak dollar, weak economy. Mortgage rates, here's another headline today, are falling fast, but not to offset, not enough, not fast enough to offset home prices. Buyers are still pulling back. Home prices are still too high. Well, wait a minute. Service jobs, service growth, weakest since 2016. Worry signs for the economy. But wait a minute. What are we hearing? Worry signs for the economy, they're saying.
This is the greatest economy ever. This is the greatest economy ever.
Hey, we'll be right back after the break, and we're going to go over our portfolio and how well my members are doing.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. If you want the truth, then tune in my show every weekday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, or you can listen to this fantasy.
Wow, low unemployment, high jobs, high wages, big consumer confidence, major productivity, and no inflation.
No inflation? What are you, nuts? Stocks up 357%. Gasoline's up 46% alone since December. How about medical? Up 8%. College up 8%. Movie tickets with soda, popcorn up 15%. Low unemployment? Not true. The 3.9% is fake. It's really 11% because of the 15 million discouraged workers they do not add in. Look, this is just some of it. High wages? That's a joke. It's 1.2%, not 3% when you look at the withholding tax where the truth is. Join my gang, philsgang.com, and get the truth.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. If you want the truth, then tune in my show every weekday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, or you can listen to this fantasy.
Wow, low unemployment, high jobs, high wages, big consumer confidence, major productivity, and no inflation.
No inflation? What are you, nuts? Stocks up 357%. Gasoline's up 46% alone since December. How about medical? Up 8%. College up 8%. Movie tickets with soda, popcorn up 15%. Low unemployment? Not true. The 3.9% is fake. It's really 11% because of the 15 million discouraged workers they do not add in. Look, this is just some of it. High wages? That's a joke. It's 1.2%, not 3% when you look at the withholding tax where the truth is. Join my gang, philsgang.com, and get the truth.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
We're speaking with Jared Douglas. He's a licensed mortgage loan originator, and his company's called Cash Call Mortgage. Let me give you his number, 949-535-9385, or you can go to cashcallmortgage.com. Jared, I want to thank you. The service you gave us was incredible. Why don't you explain a little bit when you say how you specialize in alternative products for self-employed applicants?
Yes, thank you, Phil. Thanks for having me on. So what we specialize in is an alternative product for applicants who are self-employed. We have a product for applicants that are, have a lot of assets but no documentable income, and then we have another version for real estate investors. So there's three versions of our alternative approach or alternative product that helps people with, outside the box scenarios get financing.
Again, let me give you his number, 949-535-9385, 949-535-9385, or you can go to cashcallmortgage.com.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day? That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
and we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
You're not a regular listener to Phil's Gang? What, are you nuts? Listen to Phil Grandy and check out philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
Stock Corner is brought to you by CashCallMortgage.com.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. This is the time that we, of course, talk about the returns that our gang members have in the portfolio. But first, I want to talk a little bit about Cash Call Mortgage. You know, if I very rarely do I ever endorse anybody, and if you've been listening to me for years, you very seldom hear me do this. But I learned a big lesson. I'm thinking, well, we're going to get a mortgage, and I thought, well, my credit score is above 800. It was about 815. My wife's was about 820, 825. We said, oh, we're not going to have any trouble at all. Easy. And so you go to a regular bank, and what you find out is if you own your own business and you try to get a mortgage, I mean, it's like they look like you go for a mortgage, and it looks like they're a deer in headlights. You think it'd be simple. Well, because you own a business, they don't understand your business. Even though you got a tremendous credit score, you owe nobody. It's amazing what they ask you for, how difficult it is. I mean, it's just incredible. They just don't know how to do it. So I said, there's got to be a lot of people like me. You got high credit score, and you got a good business, and you go get a loan. You think it's simple, but walking in trying to get a loan when you're a business owner, because it's different. If you just were working for someone and you have your statement, you got how much you made that year, and you got your expense. Pretty simple for a banker to look at. Very simple. Yep, prove, no, yep, right. But when you have a business, it's very, very difficult, I found out, no matter what your score is. It's just crazy. So I got a hold of this Jared Douglas at Cash Call Mortgage, and it was unbelievable. Bam, done like that. He was fantastic. Why? Because this is what he specializes in. He specializes in folks like me who have their own business, self-employed. That makes it difficult to go in and get a conventional loan from a conventional bank because they don't understand it. They're asking for stuff that's so stupid it's unbelievable. And every time you send them stuff, they ask for more stuff. It's just ridiculous. He made it so easy. It was done like that. Understood. Got it. Boom, approved. So if you have your own business and you find it difficult to get a mortgage or refinance, you got to call Jared. Now you can go to my site, philsgang.com, and you can get through them that way, or just go to cashcallmortgage.com. That's cashcallmortgage.com. I'll even give you a number. Okay, 866-708-5626. That's 866-708-5628. Jared Douglas, Cash Call Mortgage. And very seldom do I recommend people like this, but give people testimonies. But again, if you own your own business, you need a mortgage, refinancing, this is where you go. Okay, all right, so let's talk about what is going on here. This is amazing. So yesterday we get this 500-point rally. And they're all excited because of the 500-point rally. The Fed and some of the Fed members said, well, we're going to lower rates. And the headlines, investors excited. Market up 500 points. Well, wait a minute. The headline should have read, investors disappointed. Obviously, they've been lied to. They've been giving us false narratives. They've been giving us false narratives like this.
People kind of miss this. They don't understand, I think, the incentive model of economic growth. And we're in a very strong prosperity.
Yeah. Then they give us this.
This is the greatest economy ever. So
if it's the greatest economy ever, everything's fantastic, and everything's wonderful, then why are they going to lower rates again? Now, let me explain. That's even worse. It gets worse. What they're doing, they're going to lower rates again to prevent a recession. The economy's so bad, they know it's going to go into a recession. That's what they were admitting yesterday, but nobody got that. The headline should have been disappointed. They're finally telling us the truth. The economy is not what they said it is. Economic growth is terrible. So what they got to do now is they don't want this recession to turn into a market crash. So QE is going to come back in. So what they're going to do is print money and print money and print more money. And when you print more money, they're going to take that money, low interest rate money, give it to the 5 largest commercial banks so they can go to their worst loans and keep those worst companies that they've loaned $5 trillion to keep them afloat. And they're celebrating? So here they are. So for 10 years now, they've been supporting companies that shouldn't have been supported with low-rate money to keep them afloat. So, they should let these companies go. That's what recessions are. Let a recession happen. Let these companies fail. Just like, remember when Baby Bush didn't let the banks fail and we're worse off for it. And that's what's going on now. A recession's a good thing. Sure, there's some pain, but stop funding these companies that are weak. Now, who benefits from that? The CEOs, because of stock buybacks. They're making a fortune. Who else? The top 1 percentile, because they know that the CEOs are funding these companies with stock buybacks, pushing the stocks up, and they can borrow money near zero and buy those stocks. What does this do for the economy? Nothing. Does nothing. You can't grow the economy because people don't have enough money. People aren't getting wage increases. When these companies are being funded with low-rate money, that money's not going into capital investment or new equipment. So to raise productivity, so to increase wages of people. No, they're just buying more stocks so the CEOs make more money. That's it. So how can they? Oh, they're excited. Look, when you want what people don't realize what QE is all about, when a country has terrible savings like us, especially 2009, when countries have terrible savings, what they do is they jump in with QE. I'll explain more of this when we get back, and I'll go over those stocks too. Unbelievable. We'll be right back after this break. This is crazy.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Graney, philsgang.com. If you want the truth, then tune in my show every weekday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Or you can listen to this fantasy.
Wow. Low unemployment, high jobs, high wages, big consumer confidence, major productivity, and no inflation.
No inflation? What are you, nuts? Stocks up 357%. Gasoline's up 46% alone since December. How about medical? Up 8%. College up 8%. Movie tickets with soda, popcorn up 15%. Low unemployment? Not Not true. The 3.9% is fake. It's really 11% because of the 15 million discouraged workers they do not add in. Look, this is just some of it. High wages, that's a joke. It's 1.2%, not 3% when you look at the withholding tax where the truth is. Join my gang, philsgang.com, and get the truth.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativeGroup.com.
License number A1900020.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. If you want the truth, then tune in my show every weekday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, or you can listen to this fantasy.
Wow, low unemployment, high jobs, high wages, big consumer confidence, major productivity, and no inflation.
No inflation? What are you, nuts? Stocks up 357%. Gasoline's up 46% alone since December. How about medical? Up 8%. College up 8%. Movie tickets with soda, popcorn, up 15%. Low unemployment? Not true. The 3.9% is fake. It's really 11% because of the 15 million discouraged workers they do not add in. Look, this is just some of it. High wages? That's a joke. It's 1.2%, not 3% when you look at the withholding tax where the truth is. Join my gang, philsgang.com, and get the truth.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, you should always be in a position when you're investing in the market where you don't worry over one day going up or one day going down. It's all about trend. Trends last. This one day up, one day down, that screws up more investors. They make more mistakes. But I've been able to stop that with my members so they don't make that mistake. I built a tool that's a smoothing mechanism that gives them confidence, whether they're long a stock, saying the market's going up, or they're short a stock. They don't have to react from one day to the next. It's a smoothing mechanism. It's called trend. It's done by color code. Now, this is mine. Nobody else has this. It's color coded. It follows the money. So, give you an example. So, listen to the mixed messages you get from one day to another. So, here was Varney. Okay, his underwear is all rolled up because Microsoft was down.
How about Microsoft? I believe it has opened lower. What's the problem here? Why is it down?
Why? And then here he is today.
We're up 117 points right from the get-go. Look at that. A half percentage point gain and still rising. This is another rebound after yesterday's big rebound.
So one day he's ready to throw the towel in, and today he's ready to buy more shares. So there is the problem right there. He's typical. This guy's getting $6 million a year to be advising you on TV, and he doesn't even understand this dope. So the idea is his emotion is in the way of his brain. Now, we fixed that for our members. Our members don't get, when we're shorting since May 10th, okay, Goldman Sachs, we have a 10% return. Intel, since April 25th, we're short, 26% return. Now, this is the members' portfolio. AT&T, that was a long position, up 7%. While the market was going down, we're up 7% on a stock. Caterpillar, shorting since May 3rd, 14% return. Schlumberger, shorting, 20% return. These are our 5 stocks. We've been in these for almost, 3 years now. And we stay with these same stocks, these individual stocks, because it doesn't matter. We don't have to jump from one stock to another. These are named stocks. Every institution, hedge funds, banks, insurance companies have money in these stocks. The key is when they start going down and correct an upward trend to a downward trend, you got to know when it's a trend and just follow it. That's what the color code does. But when you're like Varney, okay, who one day he's up, next day he's down, Payne's the same way. One day Payne's, what's going on here? This is crazy. I can't stand it. What's going on? Then the next day, boy, this market is just best in the world. A lot of people do that. That's called emotion. So join my gang, and you won't make that mistake with a simple chart. So try it for 30 days. Join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Call now, 877-600-GANG, and join for 30 days. 30 days. And then all you do is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Eastern Time, you come to the site, and you go to the portfolio, Working Investor Portfolio, and you'll see those stocks, the video. And each day it's updated, and our team gets together. We update it to tell you exactly what to do. So if you come home at night, see what you have to do with it, tells you, follow those instructions, just like any self-help product. Just follow the instructions, okay? And at the end of a month, you'll see it works. But we advise to do it on paper for the first month. Don't use real money. Just do it on paper as if it was real money. Just follow it. Or you can do our ETFs. I mean, look at our ETFs. We have great returns on ETFs. We have 12% on our retail ETF. We're short, XRT. We're up 11% on XLE, our energy ETF. We're up 13% on our semiconductor ETF. Look at our golds. Golds, we have Nugget up 11%. We went long. And remember, I kept telling everybody, you got to watch gold. You got to watch gold. Everybody's not going to be running to the bond market. We got into gold before anybody else did. AU was one of the stocks. We're up 17%. We bought that May 30th. Here it is, June 5th. We have a 17% return. Because, again, we follow the trend, not the noise. And for 30 days, try it. And then when you start making money, please remember St.Jude. Okay? Remember St.Jude Hospital. We started helping St.Jude, 22 years now. Okay? And so if you make money, our goal is I'm reaching out to you and trying to make some sense for you. I know you're not going to get rid of your 401k. I'm not telling you to. Why don't you just subsidize it? So especially when markets go down, you're going to learn to be in a position. You're not going to worry anymore if markets up or down. You don't care. You don't have to listen to this nonsense every day. I mean, just crazy stuff that comes here. I mean, it's just crazy. They come up with more garbage. It's here. Listen.
The context for yesterday's rally matters a lot, which is the market was down a ton. It was Dow down 1,800 points in 6 weeks means it's primed to kind of catch a spark. And I think that's what happened. It made some use of that oversold condition. The fact that yields went up was significant, right? You had a relaxation of this buy bonds in a panicky way and sell stocks. So that reversal, I think, is positive. You see a lot of the internal measures of yesterday's rally.
No, you don't know it's positive. It's one day. One day doesn't make a trend. It's not positive. So we put it up on our chart today. I got up here SPY. That's the spiders. Okay. The spiders haven't turned green yet. That means the institutions are not putting in enough money. Also, we have what we call in our chart, it's a little pattern, it's called a trap door. Really simple. When a stock goes up enough, then that trap door closes. If the stock doesn't go up, the trap door doesn't close, which means the next morning you can wake up and that stock will be down. So we put that with our color-coded chart. So easy. A child can do this. Get your kids doing it. Get them to learn how to invest properly. Stop listening to this crazy noise. So the bottom line is this. Here's what's going on. When, like in 2009, when you have a country with very little savings, then what they do, they bring in the plunger team. So they take and print money. And what they do is they drop rates very, very low, and they give that money, okay, with these low rates to the largest banks to loan out. So what happens? When there's no savings, people can't buy. They don't have any savings. So they substitute savings for debt. They call it credit. They're going to increase your credit. So they put the interest rates way down. And people then start buying like crazy because now they can buy. They have money, credit. So they get in debt. So all of a sudden, boom, the market takes off. Consumers are in there buying like crazy. They finally got credit. And then you got all the speculators. They're borrowing money almost free or 2.5% or less. They're buying stocks. That is an artificial rally, but enjoy it. Enjoy. Now, this is going up for 10 years, 357%. They kept feeding it with QE. You got a lousy market when that happens because you want to be in a market when the economy is strong, right? When it's strong is when there's a lot of savings. When there's a lot of savings, then interest rates for banks to draw your savings into their bank, they got to offer you a good amount of money. Good rate hikes. Then that means when they loan it out, they're loaning out at a rate hike, a higher rate. That means that investing, okay, or consumption slows down but it also means the economy is strong when rates are high. The economy is strong when the dollar is high. It just means it's not going up like a crazy man. That's what it means. But they've taught you to think when there's no savings and they just loan you money almost free, and the market goes up and the economy goes, oh, that's supposed to be good. No, it's a bubble, and they pop. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. On time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
If you're like me, you don't have time to trade in the stock market, so why not invest in the market? The MV2 stock chart and philsgang.com continue to make me profits in the market. You see, the MV2 is specifically made for those who do not have time to invest, but they have income to invest in the market, and I spent very little to begin my investment journey. It's the easiest stock chart to read, and that's why I spend little time invested in reading the chart. The MV2 simply tells me when to get into a stock and, most importantly, when to get out. I invest in a stock and I don't worry about the investment because I subscribe to the Phil's Gang alerts and they tell me when to take my profits. Yes, it's that easy. Go to philsgang.com or call them 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Joining Phil's Gang was the best financial decision I have ever made. Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
I tell you every time I'm on the air, look, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. $39.95. Now, these are our 5 individual stocks. We've been in for, more than 2 years. AT&T. We got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. But you in a 401k, you can't short, so you lost 16%. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game. And we stay with those same stocks all year long. That's how you make money. You become one of them. Any dope can make money on the way up. It's knowing when to take your profits, knowing when the signal is telling you time to turn mother's picture to the wall and run like hell.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. I pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month. philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Here's what I love. Okay, let me give you my number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Join 1 month. $39.95, and then every day at 2 o'clock or when you get home from work, Eastern Time, just go to our site where you'll see the video, tells you exactly what to do with our member portfolio in each stock, gives you every instruction you need. If you don't understand it, you contact us. You have your own personal coach. Nobody does this. Also, if you want to be really aggressive and really get into learning about how to invest, okay, we have, I think, the best teaching center in the country online. We have classes from 9:30 to 11 o'clock every day, updates all day long. But if you're a person who says, I don't have time for that, or I don't want to do that, I just want to make money, well, the best way to do is go to our working investor group and just follow our portfolio, which I've given you, our percentages that were up just in our 6 stocks alone. Okay, we got to have an average of about, 17% return at least. All right, anyways. Hey, listen to this. This drives you crazy. It drives me crazy anyways. Listen to what he's talking about here, this guy.
So I think what you're seeing right now is what I would call unintended positive consequences. Because the dynamics just haven't changed, right? The economy is still strong.
The economy is still strong, right? Unintended consequences. What the hell is he talking about? Then we got this guy.
I mean, the market's a kerfuffle right now.
It's a kerfuffle. So this guy says the market's a kerfuffle, and this guy...
So I think what you're seeing right now is what I would call unintended positive consequences.
Yeah, and he's got unintended positive... What the hell that means? I don't know. And then, of course, you go all the way back to these folks right here, and what are they going to tell you about the market? Man, it's great. It's on fire.
It's a mixed day so far for the markets, but the economy is still on fire.
Yeah, on fire. So what do? You don't listen to any of them. You don't. We don't. The only thing that's important is the money. The money flow. If it's going in, the stock's going up. If it's coming out, the stock's going down. But this time, when it goes down, you've got to make money on the way down. That's your problem. When you've been investing, you've only made money when stocks go up. No more should you worry about if a market is up or not, if it's kerfuffling or not. I mean, it may get into the kerfuffling. If it gets into the kerfuffling, it's unbelievable. It gets really complicated when it kerfuffles. I get all that. I really do. It's unbelievable. So call now, 877-600-GANG, join for 30 days, and just follow the instructions on a portfolio. Anybody can do that. Now they tell you how great the market is, right? Well, if the market's so great, then why is it we have negative housing starts, negative durable goods orders, negative pending home sales, and worse, the mother lode, the inversion in the yield curve, which simply means you can get more interest on a 3-month treasury than you can on a 10. That's ridiculous. Know why they're doing that? Because the economy sucks. Oh, and by the way, they're going to now do more QE. They're going to print more money because there's no savings. Remember what I taught you. When there's a lot of savings in an economy, you don't get these big booms. Because when there's a lot of savings in the economy, banks are asking for your money. They have to raise interest rates, so you bring it to their bank, put it in savings. When they loan it out, they got to loan at a higher rate. So the economy is so strong. And when you have high rates and the dollar's going up, that's a strong economy. They're trying to convince us keep lowering rates. They're going to keep on pushing rates down. So what they do is they keep printing money to force rates down. And then the dollar goes down. And what do they tell us about that? How strong is the economy then?
It's a mixed day so far for the markets, but the economy is still on fire.
How can it be on fire if you got to print? And by the way, every time they print money, you're losing money in your dollar. Every dollar in your wallet, every dollar in your savings, they're taking away the power from that dollar, the purchasing power. But yet they'll take parking space in your head because they think you sit on the longest stupid bench in the world, and you believe as long as somebody's got a printing machine going, print, that's not affecting you. Everything's good. They've convinced you by the more money they put in the system, the more money they print, this is good. Things are good. And then they're telling you things are good because we're printing all this money to force rates down so we, the big banks, the 5 biggest banks, can keep supporting these terrible companies that should be closed up and gone. And the reason they can't get to 4 to 5% GDP is because they're still supporting this printing, take this money, and supporting these terrible, weak companies. That's why you need a recession. You want a recession so that when you get a recession, guess what? That stops. When a recession, that stops. No more. Those companies go down the toilet. And that money is then shifted to strong companies and to startups. And that's how the economy grows to 3, 4, and 5%. It's been 10 and a half years. We still aren't growing 3% because you can't when you have QE. When you don't have, you can't grow an economy unless you have a recession, because a recession cleans up all this garbage. It gets rid of these companies. But who benefits? Why do they do this? Why do they keep the garbage companies alive? Because it benefits Wall Street. It benefits the CEOs. They keep doing stock buybacks. And as long as that stock goes up, the top 1 percentile, who 85% of their income comes from those stocks, stay with it. This is all to make them wealthier. Well, what about Main Street? Oh, they tell you every day the economy is great. You're making a fortune. Everything's great for you. They've convinced you of that. You're not. It's not. If you take 2 people that have an income in a home below $80,000, That's pretty tough. If you have two incomes that are $60,000 with the inflation, rent, cars, auto loans, credit card, it's tough to make it. That's why people say, I don't feel this. So why don't you, just put yourself in a position that you don't have to worry about what the company's doing. You don't have to worry about the trailing PE, the forward PE, the price to sales, the price to book, the return on assets, return on equity, profit margins, free cash. You don't have to know any of that. You have to go hire somebody for that. For what? Why? It means nothing. But if you know the stock, you look at, you put on my chart, and it's green, it's telling you to buy. If it's red, it's telling you to sell. It sounds so simple, you're not going to call. I get it. I understand that. You know, that's too simple. Well, how about if I give you a dozen of kerfuffles? If I give you a dozen of kerfuffles, then I'll bet you join the gang. Wow. So anybody who joins today is going to get a dozen of kerfuffles, whatever the hell they are. You're going to get them. I'll send them to you. I'll drive them to you. This is how stupid this is. It's just as stupid as people saying yesterday with a 500-point rally, oh, this is great. Everything's wonderful. They're going to start printing money again. I could hear this. People call their wives. Hey, hon, you see this? The market's up 500 points. You know why? Because the Federal Reserve, because there's no savings in this country. Nobody has savings. What they're going to do is print money, and they're going to give it to people from free to 2% because nobody has any savings, so they'll go consume, so they'll go into debt up to their neck, and we're going to give that money to companies that suck, that should be gone. And guess what? This is going to be all wonderful. But they don't realize we're never going to grow. Didn't anybody sit back and think, how is it that Obama never could grow the country to a 3% GDP? The only guy in history, the only president in history couldn't do it. Because what was he pushing? Whose idea was QE? Bernanke and him. And they lied to everybody. They said, hey, QE is a great thing. Because with QE, the very, very rich are going to make a lot of money in the stock market. And what they're going to do with that money? They're going to make sure your wages go up. They're going to take that money, reinvest it in the companies, and when they reinvest new machinery, new equipment, all that, well, guess what? Productivity's going to go up, they told us. And then when productivity goes up, wages are going to go up. Your standard of living is going to go up. Remember how they sold us? Well, who's the one made money? Just the 1 percentile who could borrow money from 0 to 2.5%, go in the stock market. They knew what companies that were doing stock buybacks like we do, and they buy those stocks and make it a fortune. The regular guy on Main Street who works hard and his wife, between them, if they're making $60,000, they're not making it. And they're in these stupid 401ks that when the market crashes, it goes with the crash. All I'm saying is just try this. 877-600-GANG, and just remember the kids at St. Jude if you're making money. So 877-600-GANG, try it for 1 month. And stop believing this nonsense. All right? Now, I don't know how to send your kerfuffles. I don't know what they are. So join the gang tonight and you'll get a kerfuffle. Maybe I have to deliver it with a pickup truck. I don't know. But you'll get them. Everybody's getting new kerfuffles tonight.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to